This is my CoSpaces Edu tutorial on how to make something fly. You will start off on this page first. And if you want to know how to create something, first of all, to make it fly, press down here on library. You will end up with this screen, and tap characters over here, and you should get the screen. And now choose anything you want and take it and drag it out. Just drag it out. Double tap the person and press code. You should see this screen. Press use in CoBlocks and it should turn blue over here. Now that it turned blue, go ahead and tap using code. So press using code. You should get this screen. If you want to, press this. If you want to use the CoBlocks in the whole screen. But then you will, in events, tap it, or if you're already in events, click and drag when blank is clicked. Now you will want to tap the transform button. You will get this screen.
You will click this and drag
Use
it
this
into
screen
the when select item is
and
clicked.
drag that all the way into when select item is clicked. And then change the when blank is clicked to when fancy or when some your character is clicked. And then click this and click the forward button and turn it to up. Next, we are going to show how to even make the character go up. First, you will press the thing before meters button, and then you can put any number of how many meters up you want your character to go. Next is how fast it'll go up. This shows how many seconds it'll take to go up. If you tap code again, you should get this screen once again. If you look up when you tap the character, you should see him or her start to fly up.